You can hear them. No. You see Gabe? You can hear birds.
Up ahead or right by us?
I only got one good ear. I don't know. It's always to the right. It sounds like right back here behind us. Rooster! Bunch of the dogs are caught up in there. And she's inside of that stuff. Here's Flash.
You got her now?
Yeah.
There she is.
In! Ike's on something. Yep. Good job, Ike. Come on, Gabe, get in there. Get in there. Come on, go get a bird. Ha! Come on, Brian.
I was ready for a rooster. It's gonna die. In case they are in his grill.
Why don't you take us where the roosters are?
I know.
What was that? That was like a big tease, man.
It's got bird hens, I think. This is where I release all the hens, man.
That was what, like second base or something?
The roosters are all trained to go up in the grove for protection.
This is where you sort out the hunters that you don't want to hunt with you anymore. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Come here, Ranger. Come on, Ranger.
There, Dawson?
This is me. Ranger tucked down. He's laying right up there on the ground.
Did he get shot?
No, he just...
Where? On the outside?
No, he's right in there in the thick. He's just on the ground. You can barely see his orange.
I don't,
30 yards back there.
I see a white.
Yeah, he's like flat in the ground. He like flattens himself out.
Just because he's scared? Because he saw this fence, you think?
I don't know. Something. It's always something that triggers him, and then...
And he'll just stay there. He won't ever move.
No, I'll have to go pick him up and get him out of there.
If you walk by him, will he follow you?
No, you'll have to pick him up and get him out of there.
Want me to hold your gun? Or he's gonna go back to the camera. I don't see this because I've never seen him do it. I've heard you say he does it. He was a rescue dog.
Because like if I walk over there, he's gonna think I'm gonna beat him.
Stuff just sets him off, and
Random triggers of like post-trauma or something, and sometimes he'll kick up and he'll run back to the truck and hide under the truck if he knows where it's at.
but he's the one that you said when you were out scouting, he saw a fence and he just laid down.
Yeah, and then like sometimes he won't be paying attention, he'll cross it, and then the next time he'll recognize and he won't come back across it. Like when we were with Megan, yeah, he wouldn't.
I remember was saying.
across the fence, and she had to walk out and pick him up. Like he was watching me walk there, and I'd call back to him, and he'd just keep laying down flatter and flatter.
Good grandma.
But if I carry him out there, he'll start walking again probably. Wherever he felt safe last. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Go on. I think what some of it is like he was abandoned in Oklahoma because I don't think he would hunt when he was a bit like a little dog, and they found him like in the ditch. If it like triggers him, he'll do it with him, like with his security blanket, you know.
Could you imagine there's a rooster sitting there? Yeah, it's weird. That's why I'd always tell everybody when they're like, hey, there's this cool dog, short hair at the pound. I'm like, you just don't know what you're going to get into.
Yeah.
Stuff can trigger them. They can be a great dog, but one thing that sets them off, and it's going to freak them out.
If Gabe was out there, he would run around with him because I think he feels safer. Yeah, but he'll still, eventually somewhere in there, he'll trigger, and he won't want to go anymore. Really sucks when he beds down and you can't find him.
Yeah, no kidding.
And when you call for him, he just cowers more and more and more.
They're all like, why does the one dog get a whole side and all three of us have to go on there?
He eats a little bit. All right.
Let's go. Dead bird, dog.
Both on point right here. Cricket and flash. Well, that'd be cool footage. That bird is like 10 yards in front of me when he shot it.
Nice. Did you shoot it too? Make sure?
Yeah, as it was going down.
I would have too. It was like, might as well put another shot.
got one right here, maybe. I think it was a mouse. Rooster. It's down. Nope. It went down. He's still in the truck. Yeah, he's on point here. Right where those hens flew out of. That's a little too far. I had just put my safety on.
Well, I'm like, when I missed the first one, I'm like, well, Matt's gonna pop off here, and I'm like, nope.
Oh, and it's old too, so I'm like,
oh.
Click, safety on. I'm like, go! You know, and I don't got a fancy Benelli where I can just pop them off.
It's not like I had to turn around. I was looking right at him. Well, I could hear him rustling, and then it got quiet. Yeah.
Carrying around a 15-pound shotgun.
Chest comes up and like, oh, this would be nice. And I'm like, where's Matt at? So I waited, and then it looked like I said, it was gonna come to you guys, and then it just must saw orange and went.
I thought it was Kurt.
And then by then,
I had a good shot. Just skeet shot.
That's the worst part with mine. I always leave the bird on top of the rail, and I need to cover it up. Somebody's like, well, shim your gun.
Yeah, shim your gun. That's what you do with the bow. If you can't bring the pin into it.
Gunsmith and have them shim it so I drop every bird then. Stupid.
People that can't bring their pin up into the target, you just
shim it so
sight it low so it hits target. And one of these days they'll overcome their target panic and
then
won't be able to hit you.
We'll go try one.
I just suck at shooting.
I only shot at one. I remember to cover up on the second shot.
Sure. He'll figure it out, I think. Gabe. Come here. Come here. Hey, Gabe. Knucklehead, come here. Come here. This on? I think you just gave me the finger. Gabe. That's a wrap. We got what? 6 birds.
6, missed 4. Darn it.
We got Mitchell and Dawson over here. What was the channel?
Best Friend Outdoors.
There you go. Go check out Best Friend Outdoors from here in Northeast Nebraska. Make sure you go check out Meiergerd Game Birds if you're looking for some. What all do you got?
We got quail left this year. We have pheasant and chukar most of the year, but we're sold out. So we were wild bird hunting today.
Yeah, good to be sold out by Christmas. But that'll do. 6 birds, one morning. Good time here in Nebraska.